keep the focus on your lane. Eyes on the bed, middle finger to the best. They don't know your pain.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Ziggy, and today I'm going to be reacting to new Van Choga and some other dude from Ghana. Let's see. So the song is titled Ghetto Vibes by Van Choga.
Mas, dino viro taure chokwadi. Iwe, it's a Van Choga.
Okay.
Never come another one city.
Choga, this be Ay Poyoo. Man, talent kido.
The fuck this nigga saying, man?
Hot water and Milo. Guna, here we go.
Is this nigga even saying words? Oh God.
Kala blue ghetto in a Ghana. Zimbare Copacabana. Ukanditaga unondiwana. Ayaya ghetto.
Yo, I like the beat. Shout out to Maz.
F1.
Gonna ghetto, we have a rules. Moriko, go make you boost.
I swear, this nigga is not really saying words on God.
From color yellow to the color blue.
Kisaya mugeto peka yembe tempero. To enda pasa jamba vibes ikatero. Peka rova leborino inspire magero. Ugu yembe just negetiri tempero.
Yes, I, Van Choga, stating facts on God. Van Choga is stating facts here. Yeah!
Torang bari chitungwiza ruwa. Ukada kuita zungu, uchida kuita makua. Tokudaizira, mtara kunshora. Okara newe daza, achikutsura sura. Kala blue ghetto in a Ghana.
Color blue ghetto in a Ghana. This nigga.
Zimbare Copacabana. Ukanditaga unondiwana. Ayaya ghetto life one.
Gonna ghetto, we have a rules. Moriko, go make you.
Oh. This nigga's from Ghana. He's singing his language. Oh, now I get it.
From color yellow to the color blue. Chupelu, bring it down, bring the vibe. Boy, you be the gold, you be my type. From my hood, there are rules. Abidja, yes, I the rule. Wanna get your life, Charlie, not be easy. That be why we reload the play. Van Choga, Ay Poyoo. This be international collabo. Gonna ghetto, we have a rules. Moriko, go make you boost. From color yellow to the color blue. Chupelu.
Kala blue ghetto in a Ghana. Zimbare Copacabana. Without the art you never rise. In the ghetto you never rise. Ghetto peka yembe tempero. To enda pasa jamba vibes ikatero. Peka rova leborino inspire magero.
Yeah, just need a ghetto youth say. You see, my ghetto youth say apana, nigga got figure my labor no inspire my girl. Them ladies, I see you.
Kuyembe just negetiri tempero. Kauya ghetto rang bari chitungwiza ruwa. Ukada kuita zungu, uchida kuita makua. Tokudaizira, mtara kunshora. Okara newe daza, achikutsura sura.
Yeah, I see you. In every ghetto, there's this other dude that I'm going to fire up the Utsura and who don't know. Stop what you're doing. This is not the right way. Suspatay go, go. Find those niggas on. That's always man, you.
Go make you boost. From color yellow to the color blue. Chupelu. Zimbabwe. Ghana. Van Choga. Ay Poyoo. Man, watch out.
Never come another one city. It's what skiddy dan kindanga. Ay Poyoo.
this beat is fire, man. This beat is fire. No cap, this beat is fire. Shout out to Maz on the beat. They actually got the raw one ways and I keep going my beats akadai. So this is real hip hop beats go down watch it get Maz, you know what I say with foot. Yeah, I see you. On this track. This track is actually a party vibe to me, my own personal view. This track is actually a party vibe track. Uterera ushinakirwa uchitase kwete zvoda kuti uterera kuti no sezvo vamwe vachitaurawo kuti this track, but I love this track. This track rakaipa ndidonyepa. This track is actually fire. Shout out to Choga. He's actually doing big things. I see wasiyana vamwe sana tambo vanenge vachinyepa kuti tudanoita na fill up ndiani waunongochida kuitira iwe tokurowa. So shout out to Choga, I love the beat. Shout out to Maz and the dude from Ghana. Yeah, shout out Ghana. The only nigga I know in Ghana I listen to, the only rapper I listen to from Ghana is Sakodi. Yeah. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it now.
X, bitch I flex. No, you can't take my place.